Hello and welcome. Michael Gish with MarineMax Maryland, here to walk you through the 2021 Azimut 78 Fly. Alright, standing on the swim platform, of course, is going to be teak all throughout. This part of it does drop down into the water. Drop down, pick up your dinghy, make a nice swimming beach area when you're hanging out on the hook. Very, very versatile. Easy to get on and off this boat. Nice steps on either side. It's got a finished non-skid, so you want to step on and off. Very, very simple. One of the things I have to talk about is the large storage area here. With the flip of a switch up here, opens up, access to it. Great place to store your lines, fenders, everything else, beach toys, you name it. Lots of room in there. Other thing I do want to note, both port and starboard access to the cockpit. Doesn't matter what side you dock on, make it very, very simple and easy to get in here. Standing in the cockpit, same nice teak sole all throughout, really gives it that big yacht finish. Large U-shaped seating area. We do have the new composite table in here. It's got a matte finish to it, something a little different, something you haven't seen before. Lots of room out here, so if you're entertaining, you have this nice entertainment space here. Flip this open. Little preparation area, sink, storage outside, and a large walk-through into the main salon. Glass doors, slide them all the way over, inside-outside space. So when you step into the main salon, you can see the expansiveness up here. Lots and lots of windows, both port and starboard. Gives you that natural light and a great view, even if it's on one of those not-so-nice days. Very, very versatile space, whether you're entertaining for 4, 6, or 8. You can hang out, sofa lounge area, television does come up and drops down, or you can move forward to the dinette. Dinette table opens up and really, again, gives you that versatile eating space, making the boat truly available for any type of use, whether it's a day cruise with 10 or a long cruise with 6. Come down the main staircase, head towards the aft. First thing you're going to see, master stateroom. Large queen size island style bed, very, very easy to access from anywhere, easy to make in the morning, easy to turn down in the evening. One level living all throughout the master suite. Of course, you're going to have your ensuite head, nice vanity area. Television tucked in behind the glass, and a full-on walk-in closet. Lots of storage all throughout. VIP stateroom forward. Really, really great use of space, something you don't see in a lot of boats this class. Opening port light, lots of room, lots of light, lots of headroom, and again, really all one level, so it's very, very easy to navigate throughout. Television, again, tucked in nicely behind the glass. Gonna have a Bluetooth soundbar in here, ensuite head. Again, everything you need to make your guests really comfortable for the weekend. Third stateroom, again, lots of room. Headroom, full-size bed, access all the way around it, opening port light, and it's still going to have its own ensuite head. Television, still there behind the glass with that Bose stereo sound. Fourth stateroom, still a great place to be. Natural light, opening port light, television with soundbar, 2 nice separate single beds, gives you that versatility that you'll be looking for, but still you get that fourth head separate to this area. One of the most unique features about this 78-footer is the ability to have it be both a owner-operator vessel or have a crew on board. You get some great separation walking forward from the main salon. There's a hard door you can close off here as you enter into the helm or captain's area. Behind the helm seat, great access through the door. Just flip the switch and it opens right up. So you move forward to the helm, triple Garmin display, lines up nicely with the triple Volvo IPS. It's got the triple 1350s, gives you great speed, flexibility when docking, efficiency, as well as very quiet. Inside the Garmin display, everything you need to know going on with your vessel. Whether you have it hooked up to your FLIR camera or full command of AC/DC power, lights, fuel levels, air conditioning, everything. You really can truly run the whole vessel from this area. Comes in handy if you are that owner-operator. But again, also you want to have a captain and crew. Everything can be done from the command station. Right next to the helm, midship, you have a nice little dinette area, room for two, or a great workstation, whether you're planning out the next day's journey or just want to grab a cup of coffee when you get up in the morning. You're going to notice a lot of nice things about this galley. Full-size refrigerator, nice Miele appliances, glass cooktop, 4-burner, microwave convection, and storage all throughout. Dual sinks, of course it's going to have hot and cold water, and a wine fridge to boot. So whether you are an owner-operator or a captain with crew, the crew stateroom is all the way forward on the boat. You get a nice little bunkhouse, television, separate bunkhouse, 2 more berths in there, head, and of course lots of storage. Other nice thing, full washer and dryer forward. So again, whether it's a crew and a captain or a place for the grandkids, definitely a place to hang out. The Azimut Flybridge series is really known for just that. They're flybridges. This one is absolutely no exception. So much room to entertain. Television comes up from the bar, can swivel. So whether you're sitting here at the table for 8 or over at the bar stools, you can catch your favorite game. Standing on the aft deck, lots of that big expansive space. Whether you flip around the bar stools to entertain towards the lounges, nice little coffee tables, or the retractable sunshade. Really, again, a very versatile space where everybody wants to be when they're out cruising. Behind the bar, again, everything you need to entertain. Flip up here, grill cooktop. Lots of counter space, 2 different heights, bar height, counter height, ice maker, and refrigerator. Slop sink and room to work. What more could you ask for? So at the upper helm, everything you need to run the vessel. 2 nice Garmin displays, again all the information you need, whether you're changing the air conditioning levels, turning on the lights, it's all there. Navigation is going to be included as well, autopilot, sonar, everything you need to safely make it. When you're hanging out here, you are underneath the large fiberglass hardtop. That hardtop, added bonus, has a sliding back glass window. So you want a little more sun, you have that option. I mentioned it before, but worth noting, multiple docking stations throughout the boat. So whether you're on the port, starboard, or in the cockpit, you can dock very, very simply. Grab the joystick, put it in its new home. Sitting on the bow of this 78, I couldn't think of a better place to watch the sunset. Lots of room to relax, hang out. You have a good sized table, whether you want to have a few snacks or just a cocktail. Very, very able to do that with 2, 1, or 6 of your favorite friends. Added bonus, forward of the seating area is the sun lounge. Room for 2 or 3 to easily lay out, catch some sun in the late afternoon. 2021 Azimut 78 Fly. Absolutely a pleasure to walk through. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you follow us, MarineMax Maryland, on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or even better, stop on in, give us a phone call. We'd love to walk you through.